at the park, guys. Yung asawa ko may dalawang aso, ako may dalawang aso. Ayan. Bella, you're tangled now. Bella girl! Hi guys! Yung mga aso namin natakot sa car wash. This one, she's scared. She tried to hide under the seat. She's hiding. Baby Ellie is scared. She's hiding under the seat. Oh my God, you look so messy, baby. You look messy. Hi. Hi. Hi, my baby. Saglit lang kami sa park, guys, kasi ano yung mga aso. Parang nahihingal silang maglakad. Pasensya na sa lips. Walang lipstick. Nagpa-car wash kami, guys, kasi ang dumi ng sasakyan. Pati sa loob ang dumi. Oh my God! Yogurt, you look like a monkey. Look at that guy. Whoop. You daddy's boy. You are daddy's boy, you little boy. Paki-daddy ito eh. Yogurt?
No.
So, kanina pumunta kami ng park. Then ngayon, nasa bahay kami. And I'm going to do unboxing dumating na yung laptop ko. So, I'm so excited to open this and show you guys what I got. So, at the same time, nagko-coffee ako. Yes, I have my coffee. And may natira pa akong kasaba cake. Ayan. So, okay guys, so let's get started with our unboxing. So, I have a knife. So, okay guys, so we are going to start unboxing this package. So, ayan na. Ayan na guys. Yung package, yung laptop na hinihintay ko for like almost 2 weeks na. Ayan, dumating na. Ayan. I'm so excited guys. And so I just want to say thank you to my husband for getting this for me. Shout out to my husband, Steven. So, bubuksan na natin guys. You're hiding. My husband said he's hiding right now. So, yung kinuha ko pala is 13-inch MacBook Pro. So, ayan. Yung cover niya. Then, ito sa loob. Space gray pala yung kinuha ko na color. Ayan. And kukunin na natin. So, sa ilalim ng ng laptop, may yung cord niya, tsaka yung manual. And then the adapter and the cord. That's it. And of course the we have a packet inside. I think it's the manual. So ayan, yan lang yung laman niya, and then yung laptop. Ayan. So like I said, 13-inch MacBook Pro yung kinuha ko, and ilalagay ko na lang sa screen yung specs niya. So bubuksan natin. Ayan guys, makinis pa. Ayan. So we're going to open. Takot ako. Ayan. So space gray ang kinuha kong kulay. Kukunin na natin to. Ayan. See, nag-start na siya. Ayan, nakita na yung ring light ko. Ayan. So, isi-set up ko muna to, and then
hi guys!
babalik
So, ayun na guys, natapos na yung pag-set up ko sa computer, sa laptop. Ayan. Ayan yung aso ko. Say hi, baby! Yes guys, so that's it guys, and that's all for today's vlog, and thank you guys so much for watching, and please give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so updated kayo lagi every time na mag-upload ako ng new videos. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!